Hey y'all, just wanted to do a quick get ready with me. Just using some of the Unique Touch Liquid Foundation. I'm using the color Lace and we're just getting ready. I'm actually getting ready to film a YouTube video. So my YouTube is mainly fashion, but I figured why not hop on here and just do my makeup. So I'm just going to use some of this touch stick. Well, this is not the touch stick. I've been using the touch stick. This is the liquid foundation and lace. This one feels like silk on your skin. It's amazing. So yeah, just a quick get ready with me. Nothing too fancy. I don't know what it is, but this foundation smells so good. This stuff smells great. So I just dyed my hair, like literally just dyed it. So it's like really frizzy still. After dyeing it, it just stays frizzy for a couple days. I'm hoping, and this should clear up and even out once the sun starts hitting it. But I actually love red, so I'm happy about this color. Make sure we blend this good. Sorry if my lighting's a little weird. It's nighttime, it's like 8 o'clock. So I'm using the daylight light bulbs. Sometimes they're not the greatest. I'm trying to figure out what to do with that. That's my Wi-Fi, and then it's just like I have it sitting on a box. It's just the wiring there is so tricky because my house, the Wi-Fi just is garbage. So I have to have it in one specific spot for it to work, and that's the spot. But I don't know where to put all that. It's annoying as hell. Okay. There we go. I forgot I had the auto, auto, like the auto white balance thing on this computer. So it keeps doing that, zooming in. Today we're gonna do, I don't know what to do with this red. Browns maybe. Let's see. Yeah, we're gonna do some browns. Let's start off with my brows. I finally did my freaking eyebrows because they were really bad. They're probably still not perfect, but way better than before. I don't have the forest that I had before. Hold on, let me get this mirror because this is hard to do. I just use the Unique brow liner, Moodstruck Precision brow liner in dark, just like a dark brown. And then it comes with a little brush. I don't know about you, but I'm like a hot mess express today. I am a mess. I've done like 1,000 things today, so I'm all over the place. All right. So the one I'm going to use is the Unique, and we're going to use the dark color and the shimmery one. And I am not a makeup artist, disclaimer. I am still learning how to do makeup. Trying to watch like tutorials to learn how to do my eyeshadow like all the pro girls do it, but so far I haven't succeeded. Some girls can do it like really, really nice. Not just girls, guys. Some guys are great at makeup. I just suck. I'm just blending it. Just kind of blending the corners. It'll all work out at the end. You know what's hard is doing makeup on a webcam. It everything looks opposite. Like it puts everything in the opposite direction. So it's really hard to do it correctly, so I keep messing it up. All right. You're probably thinking I'm crazy, but I know what I'm doing. And the whole point is to look crazy. No, I'm just kidding. My camera switches my view, so I'm seeing opposite to what you guys are seeing. So it makes it hard to do makeup on here. So we're gonna put some eyeliner. I don't wear liquid liner. I'm really particular about things in my face. Like lashes. I can't use fake lashes. They terrify me. And I like pencil liner. So this old liner that I have is not from Unique, but I am getting the Unique one. This is just a regular basic black pencil liner. I sincerely just hate having the feeling of fake lashes. Like it bothers my eyesight and it gives me anxiety. When I see things in my eye field, I get really bad anxiety. It's really weird. But yeah, that's the situation. We're gonna take, I don't have concealer, so we're gonna take a little bit of the Touch Stick foundation and use it as a concealer. I'm using the color Lace, and this is the same. It's from Unique, but it's the Touch Stick. I've been using this a lot lately. Just gonna put a little underneath my eyes. So I have the worst dark circles ever. And actually, that worked out a lot better than I thought it would. All right, so now I'm using the Unique Moodstruck Epic 4D mascara in black. you kind of want to wiggle the wand to make sure you get your lashes like a good application. And I'm sorry if you guys hear my kids, like one of them's on his Xbox and the other one is watching a movie or on the phone with his friends. So they start yelling sometimes, laughing, acting a mess. Hopefully you guys can see that. My lighting's not the greatest, but this stuff is awesome. I realized that eyeliner was not on there well enough. Oh, there we go. All right, so for lips, I think I'm gonna do a nude lip. This is the Splash Liquid Lipstick in Sublime by Unique. It's just a really pretty nude. Yeah, I'm loving it. I am loving this lipstick. So yeah, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put my link. If this is Facebook, I'm gonna link it above this video. If it's YouTube, in the description box, I'm gonna link everything that I used. And if you guys have any questions for any of the girls watching me or guys, if you have any questions about the makeup or anything that I used, feel free to reach out to me or comment below and I'll get back to you. But yeah, I am a presenter, so feel free to ask me any questions and I'm more than happy to help you. And thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.